Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at the MA20 motion sensor alarm by Mosaic Alarm. Let's get right to it. Out of the box, we've got our setup instructions here, and we're gonna go over that shortly. We got some mounting hardware. They do provide a USB power cord, so you can use this on a powered supply, or you can actually use batteries here, which we can install on the backside. So if you want this to be permanently mounted somewhere and you have a power supply, you can do that. You can run it off batteries or any combination there in between. Coming in for a closer look on the alarm, it's got a nice little build quality to it. It's lightweight, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. Yeah, it's about the size of my hand right here. On the front side, you got your motion sensor up here, your alarm, and then the keypad. We're gonna look at that in a second, along with an indicator light. And then on the back side here, you've got this whole panel. So if you wanna mount this, we've got our two holes. This is actually the battery cover as well. There's a small screw you need to remove at the bottom so you can get your access. But after you do that, you're able to pop this case open. You can put the batteries in, like I mentioned, if you want to, or you can use the USB cable. There's a power port right here. So you just take this, you plug it in, and it'll have power all the time without ever needing to change batteries. So let's get this set up, and spoiler alert, this thing is crazy loud, but very easy to use. So I'm gonna use the USB power supply, but every time you power it on, you do need to reprogram your code. It's gonna have a beep like this. Now you can set a 4-digit code, anything you want, as long as it doesn't start with the number 4. So let's make it easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my password is set. Okay. Now when you want to turn on the alarm, all you have to do is press 4, and then it's going to wait 30 seconds before it activates. Now once you or someone else trips the motion sensor, you have 5 seconds to enter your code before the alarm goes off. Obviously I'm not going to do that so you can hear how loud it is, but I'll turn it off with the code right after. Here we go. Countdown begins. Crazy loud. Yeah, you can only handle that for a few seconds, but you will know that somebody is where they should not be. Now that's the alarm with the siren, but there's also a built-in light here. So if you'd like to enable the light here, all you have to do is type in 1, 2, 3, 4, or whatever your password is, +1 and 1 2 times. You got that little beep right there. Now I'm going to re-trip the alarm so you can see it in a flashing mode. Press 4, and now we wait. All right, time for a light show. Now if you ever want to turn the light off, put the password back in and hit 2 twice. And now it's off just like it was at the very beginning.